Here we go, Tier 1 baseball. 3 boxes, 3 more spots taken, so we'll keep ripping through this. Only 1 left. This one's pretty thick. 4 cards. Okay. We have a Jim Rice jersey, number to 150. Starlin Castro jersey. Autograph on the rise auto number to 235, Anthony Rizzo. And, whoa, another one. Number to 399, Boog Powell. Crowd pleaser, old timer. Boog Powell. I like that. I'm just going to call him Boogie. Nice old timer auto there. These cards are beautiful. Man. They did a really, really, really good job on the design on this set. Just really slick, clean, classy looking cards. Another 4. What the heck? This one's in a weird order or something's going on here. Okay. Let's slip that. We have a Tim Hudson jersey, $3.99. Tim Lincecum. We have numbered 16 of 50, crowd pleaser autograph, Dustin Pedroia. Dustin Pedroia, crowd pleaser auto, numbered to 50. And elevated ink, numbered to 250, Jay Bruce. Jay Bruce, elevated ink, numbered to 250. And the last one, until someone buys the last spot, and then I'll open the last one. Oh, hello. Numbered 5 of 25, white ink autograph, Ivan Nova. Numbered to 25, white ink. I don't know. And a dual jersey number to 50, Justin Verlander. Justin Verlander. And the last set of these 3, number to 399, Adam Lind, crowd pleaser. So there's a 3-box break. 1 more to come.